The elephant bush makes a perfect long-term houseplant as it can live for decades. Elephant bushes are easy to care for, but it's a good idea to learn what conditions they prefer so you don't accidentally kill them with too much kindness. So let's see how much light they need. Outdoors, elephant bush will thrive in full sun to part shade. Bright light is best for your elephant bush plant. Indirect sunlight yields the best results for growers with hanging baskets and other indoor arrangements. My elephant bush plants are getting about 2 hours of direct sun every day and partial shade for whole day. What kind of soil mixture is best for elephant bush? You should use a sandy soil mix. A rocky or sandy potting soil is best for the elephant bush. Cactus mix and pumice is another excellent option for planting your elephant bush. Soils with vermiculite work better for elephant bush and well-draining soil is must. And how to water them? Elephant bush is a drought-tolerant plant. When it comes to watering, keep in mind that you are more at risk of hurting yours by overwatering than by underwatering it. In general, allow the plant's potting medium to dry out thoroughly in between waterings. Then, water deeply. What are the right temperatures for elephant bush? This succulent prefers temperatures ranging from 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit when growing inside. Like many succulents native to warm climates, the elephant bush is not frost tolerant and will die if exposed to frost. It can tolerate high temperatures, but it struggles in low temperatures. In short, situate your elephant bush plant in bright indirect light or direct sunlight. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Grow in a well-potting medium designed for succulents. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.